On the boat, going to Texas, Austin, Texas.
Oh, yes! Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine, Coco. That time is okay. Where baby hula hoop is okay, that's fine.
You gotta wait for him.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the boat. And we are in San Antonio here. Hi guys! Yay! Cheer up! Happy Sunday, guys!
The San Antonio River. Local Yaya Indians called it Guana Guana, which means refreshing or clear waters.
Oh, the lights here, huh? That's
On the right,
beautiful.
you can see the steeple of St. Joseph's Church. That
This
was
is
founded
San
in
Antonio,
1868
Texas.
by German immigrants. The stained glass windows are from Munich, Germany.
Mm.
And on the fourth Sunday of every month, the men's choir sings hymns in German.
Wow.
Did y'all hear about the German car they're making just for cowboys? It's called the Audi Partner.
Mm. Wow, look at that. That's the flag there. There you go. Texas. The Texas Rangers. Yes. Mommy's here, Baba.
Oh, you're not even starting anything.
Yeah, here we go. I'm making a video. Look at this. All the restaurant here. Woo! We're gonna eat that place. Casario restaurant. Look like a nice restaurant there. We're getting hungry here.
No, but it's on the other side.
Look at how beautiful.
I know, but we're on the other
Ah!
side.
Wow.
And on the left is the Hilton Palacio del Rio Hotel. I pointed this hotel because it has a Guinness World Record for fastest construction speed of a building of its size. All the rooms were built individually on the. And we've had many dancers perform here. One of the most renowned local dancers.
Hello! Yay!
She began her dance performance at the top of this little bridge here, and so they named it after her. This is Rosita's
Ah,
Bridge.
look at that.
Oh, he
Speaking
just.
of dancers, y'all know
Yeah.
how flamenco dancers fish?
Buenos, huh? Flappy?
They catch
Ah,
the net.
¿cómo está? Ah. Mucho bien. Ah.
On the right is the
Bonita,
Briscoe
bonita,
Western
mucho.
Bonita, mucho bien bonita here.
sculpture, the Wild West. It also has a number of artifacts, like the Ponchevilla saddles, and one of General Santana's ceremonial swords. Up here you can see a vaquero, a cowboy, driving his cattle. Y'all know the best way to
Yeah.
catch cattle?
Hi guys. Woo. I love your blonde hair. I love it. Ah, you look beautiful, girl.
Like later tonight, maybe you'll see Batman.
I heard they had gargoyles.
So beautiful
And if you look on
adventure.
the second floor, you'll
What a
see
beautiful
the
adventure in the Sunday, Resurrection Day.
And just below those,
Look at the
between
river
the
there.
first and
Hi,
second
baby.
floor, you'll see
How you
some
like
ugly
it?
faces.
Wonderful,
Look at that.
beautiful. How they made this lake.
San Antonio,
a river.
Texas.
How they made this.
But they're for
It's a man-made
superstitious
river,
reasons.
Yes.
but beautiful like
In this case,
Venus,
they're here
Italy.
to ward
Go
away
Hapchan.
bad business.
Yeah. Look at that, Coco
And
Hapchan.
these ugly faces.
Show
I love it, Coco Hapchan. Woo.
This building was completed in 1929, just before the great stock market
Woo.
crash.
Oh, this is
Shortly
close
What a
to
after,
the
beautiful.
Alamo.
went bankrupt.
Mm-hmm.
Street, Mary Street.
Something in New York like that.
That was the next
Yeah.
hospital
Something.
building. It was one of the first hospitals in the country to have air conditioning. If
Oh,
you've been
Joe
in it,
Crab
then
Shack
you're
is over here
that's a
too.
big deal. You also may know some folks who
Look at how the restaurant.
Comedian Carol Burnett was born there, as well as Oliver North, the
Woo.
Iran escape. Straight in front of the boat is the Hyatt Regency Hotel. I pointed out because there's a shortcut to the Alamo. Just go through the lobby, out the back doors, and up the stairs. You'll be right in front of the Alamo.
Oh, this is very nice. We look at
This
that.
hotel was limited
Huh?
to 14 stories in height, so it would not cast a shadow on the Alamo.
Wow, live music here also, baby.
Where we started.
We gotta go to this restaurant. They have a live music here. Look at that. Woo.
On the right is the Casino Club building. This opened up in the roaring 20s. It's a private high society club that had a ballroom, salon, theater. It was really fancy schmancy.
This is a long walkway, and that's a beautiful hour with the boat.
Alex Haley lived in this building in the 1970s. This part of the river is called
Careful, car behind you.
I know.
Let them go first.
Oh, this is. Oh, here. It's across there, I think.
The outside or really inside?
Outside here.
Outside. Let's do it. Outside. stop it. Why I see eggs?
Yeah, that's confetti, right? Confetti? Okay, okay.
This is roll.
Woo! Look at that! Ooh, wow! Wow, like a mountain! Oh my goodness! Oh, Bali is like here! Wow! Look, this is a beautiful place! I love it!
Oh, I'm going to this Oasis.
Wow! Wow! What a beautiful! Come on, let's go down there.
Is there?
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, from there.
No, right there.
No, no need, don't worry. We can hang out there. Come on. Come on, let's go here. Wow, look at that, Deborah. Come on, let's go.
down there.
Yeah, come on. Wow, that's so beautiful. I know, this all kitchens here. This is bring the luck. It's gonna bring the luck.
Oh, man. She left already, so she left already. Still on my ass.
How I'm gonna get home? That's a nice joke. I like it.
Crazy, mom. This is somebody.
Oh my goodness! Look at this. Like you see the loops of the stones. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We made that. We made that too.
I gotta show this.
But look at
When are
this.
you making a video? Okay. We're gonna drink something maybe?
Yeah, virgin mojito.
Virgin mojito.
Yes.
You wanna go Facebook Live over here?
Of course, you do that.
No, you go.
I
No,
go.
You gotta bring your.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Wow, look at that. The longest pool. Wow, look at that, babe. Woo. Wow, the longest pool. Look at that. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Don't fall. Don't fall. David's in it.
I did not. It's very cold water. So you know it's very good water. It's really hot for the car.
Wow, longest pool ever. How beautiful. Wow. David! Ayo, let's go!
We were not planning to come in the water. Just wanted to have I guess we had no towel, no.
The longest pool, guys. The longest pool. Hello, Deborah, David,
Not
hello.
into juice and juice only showing the world.
Ooh, the
No
cake.
flashing.
No flash.
So nice. Look at that. Wow. This is the Capitol Hill
Watermelon?
of Austin, Texas. Yes.
Watermelon?
Ooh.
Wait, be careful with my phone.